A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a striking revelation from the Office for National Statistics, ONS, the population of England and Wales has surged by more than 700,000 in the year leading up to June 2024, marking the second largest annual increase in over 75 years. This notable rise has been primarily attributed to international migration, which accounted for a staggering 690,147 of the total increase, despite a slight decrease compared to the previous year's figure of 833,700. The total population is now estimated to stand at approximately 61.8 million, a significant jump from 61.1 million recorded mid-2023. The ONS has indicated that this increase is part of a long-term trend, with the population of England and Wales consistently rising since mid-1982. Notably, migration has been the predominant factor in this growth since mid-1999, overshadowing natural change, which has become less significant in recent years. In fact, the natural change, where the number of births exceeds deaths, only contributed a modest 29,982 to the population, with births recorded at 596,012 and deaths at 566,030. This demographic shift has sparked intense debate among political leaders. The Labour Party has seized on these figures to criticize the Conservative government's handling of immigration, asserting that the current immigration levels are a direct result of their policies. Home Secretary Yvette Cooper stated, "Under the Tories, overseas recruitment shot up while training in the UK was cut and lower-skilled migration soared. Hundreds of thousands of people were granted visas to stay in the UK without any requirements to learn English." In response, Shadow Home Secretary Chris Philp acknowledged the high immigration figures but insisted that the Conservative Party, under new leadership, is committed to implementing effective policies to reduce these numbers. He emphasized the unacceptable pressure on housing and social cohesion that such immigration levels have created. The leader of Reform UK, Nigel Farage, has also weighed in, labeling the figures as disastrous for the quality of life for everyone in the country. He argued that the influx of new residents is placing unbearable strains on public services and exacerbating divisions within communities. The latest statistics reveal that a total of 1,142,303 individuals immigrated to England and Wales within the 12 months leading to June 2024, while an estimated 452,156 emigrated. This results in a net migration figure of 690,147, a decrease from the previous year's total. Analysts suggest that this decline may be linked to stricter immigration rules introduced in early 2024, which included limitations on international students bringing family members and a ban on overseas care workers from bringing dependents. The implications of these figures extend beyond mere numbers. They reflect shifting societal dynamics and the ongoing challenges of immigration policy. The ONS data also highlights regional disparities, with natural population growth occurring primarily in London, the South East, the West Midlands, and Eastern England, while other regions are experiencing negative natural changes due to declining fertility rates and an aging population. In the context of broader European migration trends, Greek Migration Minister Thanos Plevris has declared a state of emergency as his country grapples with similar issues. The situation in the UK mirrors these challenges, with Home Office figures indicating that over 24,000 individuals arrived on small boats in 2025 alone. While supermarkets have reported increased sales in drinks and fuel as people venture out more, the government is also focusing on identifying illegal migrant workers to alleviate some of the pressure on public services. Sir Keir Starmer, the leader of the Labour Party, has promised to implement stricter measures, including banning the recruitment of overseas care workers and imposing higher English language requirements for immigrants. As the political landscape continues to evolve in response to these demographic changes, the debate surrounding immigration policy remains at the forefront of national discourse. With the population of England and Wales now at its highest level in decades, the implications of these shifts will undoubtedly be felt across various sectors, from housing to healthcare, and will shape the future of the nation for years to come. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, So hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.